Hi adventurers, I'm Ava Wingfield, and today we're traveling around the world to see how families keep their homes clean, cozy, and happy. From bamboo brooms to magical mop songs, every culture has its own way of turning chores into cheerful routines. Let's take a sparkling journey to see what clean means around the globe. In Japan, cleaning isn't just about tidiness, it's about respect. People take off their shoes before entering a home, stepping into soft slippers instead. At school, kids don't rely on janitors. They sweep, wipe, and tidy their own classrooms every day. Even sweeping the street outside your home is a quiet, caring habit. In Sweden, people love a style called lagom, which means not too much, not too little. Homes are kept clean, organized, and calm. Many families use natural cleaners like vinegar, lemon, and baking soda. Just like a science experiment, cleaning isn't rushed. It's thoughtful and part of daily life. In Mexico, chores can be a party. On Saturdays, families sweep, scrub, and water plants, sometimes with music playing and everyone dancing as they clean. Homes are colorful and open, with tiled floors that sparkle when mopped. Even young kids help out, because cleaning is part of being a family team. In Uganda, many people sweep with handmade brooms made from palm fibers, simple, light, and strong. In North America, vacuums are super popular, especially for carpeted floors. And don't forget dishwashers and robot vacuums too. So here's your Tidy Time challenge. Can you design your own cleanup routine, make a fun checklist, or draw your dream cleaning gadget? Mine would be a singing sponge that leaves glitter trails. Want more cleaning fun? Check out Tidy Time, a cleaning and organizing adventure. You'll find fun facts, activities, and cleanup challenges. Download your free activity sheets in our free printable library at educolorpress.com. Until next time, be colorful, be curious, and keep it clean.